you for watching Lango News Channel.
And confronted Egole Lawrence why he is removing the portrait of a member of parliament, of a minister, and he put Egole Lawrence to speak to me. And Egole Lawrence started denying that he was not a party to what has happened, and stated that if Atul Sam has commandeered, and we have proof of the vehicle of Atul Sam, that is not his vehicle. But if we have his vehicle confirming and evidence, is willing to step aside and resign.
So Jamarioni tupora chal kere temo moyo yore me lilunyan na chalo an igina me kohomeren na chalo achung ti. So anati me mi yunge ni adotta me ukeri komano pobe da teni.
Minister of Gender, Labor and Social Development Betty Amongi Akena has strongly condemned the removal of our campaign posters in Lira City. Meanwhile, the mayor of Lira City has warned Amongi Betty against waging political war on him over accusation that he defaced her posters from the city streets. Thank you for watching Lao News Channel. I am Denish Ongora. Now, let's look at the details. Minister of Gender, Labor and Social Development Betty Amongi Akena has condemned the removal of our campaign posters in Lira City. Amongi said she received several phone calls from concerned community members reporting that our campaign posters had been removed from various parts of the city. According to the minister, it was reported that the posters were transported in a vehicle that allegedly belonged to Lira City Mayor Sam Atul and was dumped at a parking yard near Lira Regional Referral Hospital. Speaking to journalists after filing a report at Lira Central Police Station, Amongi said she intends to pursue both legal and political avenues to resolve the matter swiftly. She further accused Lira Resident City Commissioner Lawrence Egole, Mayor Sam Atul, and Assistant RCC Bonny Otucu of being complicit in the incident.
Town College, where the meeting for His Excellency is going to be, and confronted Egole Lawrence why he is removing the portrait of a member of parliament, of a minister, and he put Egole Lawrence to speak to me. And Egole Lawrence started denying that he was not a party to what has happened, and stated that if Atul Sam has commandeered, and we have proof of the vehicle of Atul Sam, that is not his vehicle. But if we have his vehicle confirming and evidence, is willing to step aside and resign.
Jimmy James Michael Akena, president of the Uganda People's Congress, who accompanied Amongi to Lira CPS, described the posters removal as an act of intimidation. He emphasized that such actions are aimed at instilling fear but would not deter their political activities.
If there are those who think by removing our posters will remove our votes, let them wake up. It's not going to happen. If they think they can do these sort of things when it comes to voting, the people of Lango and the people of Uganda are not going to take this nonsense. And all along, I have been assuring them we have been working towards a path where we're going to discuss the developments of Uganda. Now, I'm here in good faith to discuss how we can resolve an issue which has plagued us since the late 80s. And this is the greeting we get from people supposed to be representing the office of the President of the Republic. They are now waging war against posters. Posters!
Minister Amongi, who is the UPC party flag bearer for Lira City Woman MPC, registered the case at Lira Central Police Station under SD Ref 23/17/08/2025 while responding to Minister Amongi's accusations in a media conference on Monday morning. Atul trashed the allegations, adding that Amongi only wants to tarnish his well-built reputation. Atul, who ruled out any possibility of supporting Amoy for the Lira City Woman MP seat, says he cannot deface among his posters. The city mayor asked Amoy to leave politics of lies because there is no evidence linking him or his vehicle to the allegations.
So Jamarioni to Borra shall carry time moyo your me Lilunian Nachalawan Iginame Kohomeren Nachalo Achun Tea. Donati memi yungini adortame okerikoma no pobe tin Betty Amongi Akena ya we okere kana na tie me wot me oti amoti adotane ye.
Minister Amoy held a procession on Monday afternoon to fix back her posters. North Kyoga Regional Police spokesperson Patrick Jimmy Okema says they will investigate the allegations to ascertain the truth about it. Thank you very much for watching Lao News channel. May you have a good day.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.